Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I've got another Technique of the Week video for you this week. What we're going to talk about is using one major color throughout every color mixture in your painting. This week I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm just going to kind of go to a time-lapse version of the painting and take you throughout through the entire process of the painting and just talk about this week's technique. So for the color, my major color, I picked one color I really wanted to use and then created a painting around it. So I picked teal. I used acrylic for this painting, so it's a golden heavy body teal. And what I did is I picked this color and I incorporated teal into every single mixture throughout the entire painting to create color harmony. Sometimes when we create paintings, when we finish the painting and we take a look at it, some of the colors don't really kind of go together. There's not a good harmony. They look a little mismatched. One way to remedy that is to pick a major color and use that in the color mixtures all the way throughout. So whether that's shadows, highlights on the trees, or whatever you're painting, highlights, midtones, everything has a little bit of teal in it, which will bring all of your colors together and create harmony. So I'm going to take you through this painting really quickly here, and I'm just talking about some of the color mixtures I use.
Okay, so I started off my background with some burnt sienna, teal, and white, and just created an abstract. From here, I used negative space to cut out the background forest. So all of these spaces between the trees have teal mixed in, so that way it harmonizes with the surrounding area. So lots of negative space to create all of these trees in the distance. And then just creating some nice contrast with some brighter whites. Then as I moved into the foreground, these dark areas, I used ultramarine blue burnt sienna and added just a tiny bit of teal to start with, so that way I had a nice dark color. And I created the silhouette of the trees and all the branches and all of the rocks and logs on the ground in the foreground with that. Then I started adding in highlights. With those highlights, I used a little bit of Naples yellow burnt sienna and ultramarine blue, and then I added a little bit of teal to harmonize the color. So the teal grayed it down a little bit and brought all of the colors together. So throughout the entire painting, every mixture, I added in just a little bit of teal to harmonize the overall painting.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the creation of this painting and my explanation for using a certain color and incorporating that into all of your color mixtures throughout the painting to create color harmony. I hope you enjoyed this week's Technique of the Week. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also check out my website, timgagnon.com. That's just Tim, Gagnon.com, for all of your online painting lesson needs. I've got hundreds of online painting lessons in acrylic or oil, lots of subject matter, and you can also get them on DVD. So if you get a chance, make sure you go check that out. I'd really appreciate that. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon.